Okay, so here's how we change this part out. Lift this up here, get it out the way. And then we got this 10mm bolt right here. And then we got this clip. Pop that clip off. Grab your 10mm socket. Take that out. Grab some pliers. Grab it on the body here. And then pull it out straight. And then inspect it. And then this is our new one. It is used. Just make sure you take some of the oil, put it on the O-ring, slide that in there. Thread in your bolt. There you go. You are all done. Less than 2 minutes. There you go. Check engine light off. Gas mileage restored.